The water crisis in California is continuing to become more and more of an issue as time passes. In this video, we will discuss the problems related to the rise in sea levels as well as the drought problem and ways to help conserve water. Water is the basis of life, and more than 97% of the world's water is too salty to drink. Another 2% is locked up in glaciers and ice caps, leaving only 1% as fresh water. We are overusing water and overtapping groundwater. Sea levels are rising at an extreme rate. California is one of the 10 most vulnerable states when it comes to the matter of rising sea levels. This rise in sea levels is caused by the burning of fossil fuels and other human actions. The two main factors in the rise of the overall ocean levels are thermal expansion and the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers. Although these ice features naturally melt during the summer months, the problem occurs when the ice starts melting in the winter months, which causes the levels to rise substantially. The consequences of the rise in sea levels could be catastrophic. Some researchers estimate that if the ice shelves in Greenland completely melt, that the levels could increase upwards of 23 feet, which would completely submerge Los Angeles, New York, and London. The current state of the drought is the worst that California has ever been in. Governor Brown has declared a state of emergency and called on all Californians to conserve water in every way possible. This problem can be directly linked with the lack of rainfall and snowpacks in the mountains, along with the overconsumption of water by the Californian population. There are many ways in which the general public can help conserve water. Knowing how much water you use and where you use it are important first steps in determining the most effective ways you can save water. When washing your hands, turn off the water when you're rubbing the soap in. When you're taking a shower, try not to stand under the water. Showers can use up to 4 gallons of water per minute. Therefore, if you take a 20-minute long shower, you'll be wasting 80 gallons of water. Additionally, residents should try and switch all appliances in their house to water efficient or low flow. When watering outdoor plants, try to dig small holes in the soil so that water can easily reach the roots of the plants. Don't drink bottled water. The average bottle of water uses more water to produce than the actual final product. Tap water is filtered more, so it is actually safer to drink. Lastly, cut down on the amount of dairy and meat products you eat. A quarter pounder is worth more than 30 average American showers. Try and choose grass-fed products to really reduce your water footprint. Overall, the consequences that arise from the increase in sea levels as well as the drought situation in California will affect all forms of life. If nothing is done to try and help solve these issues, the Earth as we know it will never be the same.
This Earth is our mother. If there were no water or earth or grass, we wouldn't be here.
Give something back to the sun, to the earth.